Hi, welcome back to the round board. I'm Laura. Today we have an unboxing video, and today we are bringing in the Globein Box. It's a huge box this month. So it starts out at $40 a month. So I'm trying to show you, and it's really hard to show you in frame. So let's just jump into this big guy. I should have opened it before. There we go. Here's the booklet that comes with it every month. And all the packaging, so. First off is this box. So. It's a box within a box. Hey! Oh my gosh. This is doing that comic value. I wish I was. It's another box. Yay, we got another box. Gosh. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Let's see. I'm going to guess it's hand blown too. Gorgeous. Let's find it. Look. And I'm not looking at the camera. I'm looking at my computer, which is the viewfinder. That's the first thing. Handmade in Mexico. It's a handmade iced tea pitcher. So it was made by Gerardo Mendoza. Is the young man? He's only 18. This is gorgeous. Be great for serving up drinks and stuff. To be fair, I don't bring out a lot of glass around here. I have a toddler, so. But also, if you're creative like me, I sometimes put flowers in these. So, it's versatile. So, but yeah, this is. It's striped, but you can feel the stripes are rigid. It's gorgeous though. And next, we got tea bags. It says Tulsi. So let's see what this is. Which is great because you just got a tea pitcher that is beautiful. Okay, so Tulsi tea comes from India. So it says the first line is I'll leave all this stuff on the screen too. So it says Somewhere level ground. The central piece to any tea party aside from tiny Sanders tea grown by a man named Somewhere in the prominent region of Assam. So I could not. I'll leave it up. It says it's some type of green tea, but I could not pronounce it. I will leave everything linked up on the screen so you guys can read. So it's a felted little garland. This comes from Nepal, and it looks like Garland, but I'm pretty sure that's not how you pronounce it. So, but it's just a beautiful garland. So I saw this, and I believe this is beeswax something. Okay, so yeah, they're little. I'll show it. Yeah, so there's two tea-light candles in here. So they're made in Haiti. They're Mondi the Prosodic catalyst. Once again, I'll leave everything. They don't smell like anything, but they're just beeswax. Oh gosh, show it, Laura. There you go. Just a little beeswax candle. So it says Mondi remembers hearing stories of the careful. Oh gosh. Yeah, so it tells you everything about the carefully craftsmanship of new tea lights. Demonstrate the talent and resilience of dedication women like Mondi who become catalysts for social and economic change in their community. So yeah, that's great. One more thing in here. Another beautiful. And this would be perfect for so there's tea lights. Perfect for that too. So this is a lantern. Handmade in India. by Francis Noah Ark. She's 37, mother of 4 boys, manager of her house, de facto cook of family functions, and is also the creator of Your New Lantern. Aww. So it's this. You probably can hear that, but this feels like glass, and the work is just absolutely gorgeous. Sometimes I wish I had patience for this. Although I just some things that people don't know how to have patience for, so each their own. Gosh. Can't wait to use this. So good. This was exciting. So I love this box. Some boxes are hit or misses, but Globein's a great box. It's a fair trade box. And you get a lot of home goods, and it's a lifestyle box. So if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment down below, and I will see you on Friday for a regular crafting video. And have a good week, and I will see you next time. Bye!